Because this was an amazing experience, I thought I'll give you a tour of the entire property. This is YMCA Yelagiri Camp Center, and you can do a lot of adventure activities here. This is the entrance. It's a lush green campus. Of course, at this season of the year, it's little dry, but otherwise it's a very peaceful campus. See you at the other places. Basically, in order to reach this camp center, the nearest railway station is Jolarpete, which from where you'll have to take a bus, minibus or a car. That will take you around 45 minutes, half an hour to 45 minutes to basically reach the center. That green minibus over there is the bus in which we came from Jolarpete railway station. So this is the first junction, and you have a few rooms there, and the conference hall is there. Also the playground is on the right side, and the office is also on the right side. I'll take you there. Further, if you ride a little down, you'll find a few rooms on the left, and I'll also show you where we stayed. So these are basically guest rooms, and we stayed in a 6-bedded room. This is how the room looks from the outside. It's a pretty cozy room. Off to the next stop. You have few dormitories that side and guest rooms, which are used as dormitories these days. On the left, down in the center, you have the camp office, from where you can make your payments. You can also buy honey, natural honey, and you can also get cycles. Off to the camp office. That's the camp office, and just behind the camp office is the camping site where you can do your tent pitching and enjoy. I'll take you there. This is the camping site here. Those are the camping tents in which we stayed in the night. Also, you can get your own tent, and they'll charge you around 200 if you have your own tent. Otherwise, if you wish to stay here in this tent, it's 300. If you see, there's a little bit of ash there. We did a campfire as well in the night, so that's about 1,000 rupees. And this side, you have the dining area and the chapel. I'll take you also the starting point of the trek. I'll take you there. That's the camping site on the left and the camp office on the right in the end. And if you walk down this path, it'll take you to the campfire site. Also, a little further ahead is the starting point of the trek. So basically, if you see that mountain there, that little hill, that is where they take you for trekking. We started by around 7:10 and we came down by around 10 o'clock. It's a fun experience because the trekking guide tells you about the people here, about the society, about the culture in general, and also about the wildlife, flora and fauna of this place. So this is the campfire site, and you have pretty stone benches here to just sit and chill. And if you walk up this little bit elevated area, you have the trekking point starting area there. And that's the hill I was talking about. So they take you for trekking, and you also get a chance to do rock climbing and rappelling as well. Of course, it's on not on a very tough scale, but yes, it's good. It's worth an adventure. I'll just show you the hill. So basically this is the hill on which they take you on a trek, and that point near these goats, that is the starting point of the trek. So they take you up. It's a good trek. Of course, you have little bit of bushes and all, and you'll have to be little careful, but there are amazing scenic photo points that you should explore, and also you get a chance to do rock climbing and rappelling. That's fun, all within 1,000 rupees. What's the best thing about YMCA Yeligiri? It's this greenery. It's something you'd die for. And of course, this is one such place where the only sound you'd probably hear is yours. It is so calm and peaceful. And if you're staying in Chennai or Bangalore, this I think is a good way to just relax and soak in the positive vibes.